Hello and welcome. So Michael here, and today let's do a tap together on feeling depression. Now, before we get too far into it, to make it clear, this is not to replace advice or treatment from a medical professional. I'm not a doctor, so this is to be used in complementary to that. And hopefully this will give you some ease and a sense of more space and more opening inside your body and your mind. Okay, so let's begin. The first thing to do is to take a moment to tune into the feeling of depression. What does depression feel like inside? Because we all experience it slightly differently. Depression has lots of meaning. So it's important to work out, what does it feel like inside you? For some people it's heaviness. Other people it's more like confusion in the mind. Other people it's pain sensations. So just take a moment to tune in and see if you can give yourself permission to feel it inside. And I'm going to show you with the tap how we can transform it. So it's important to take a moment to allow it at the beginning, because our first reaction usually with a feeling we don't like is we're trying to get rid of it. We're trying to suppress it. We're trying to avoid it. We're doing everything to run away. And in this process, what makes EFT and the way that I work with it is that we don't run away from it. Running away doesn't seem to help long term. So instead, we just take a moment to allow ourselves to feel it, allow it to welcome it as best as you can. And just do what's comfortable. You don't have to go full 100%. Just do what feels comfortable as best as you can. Can you welcome the feeling of depression inside? Good. And where do you feel it the most inside? Is it in the head? Is it in the chest? Is it in the belly? Good. So now we've tuned into it. Now we start transforming. So start on the side of the hand, start tapping. Repeat these words if it's okay. Take a deep breath first. So even though I feel this way, and I don't like this feeling, I wish it would go away, and that's okay. I accept the way that I feel, and I fully and deeply accept myself anyway. So even though I feel this way, and I really don't like it, it feels heavy, it feels confusing, and I don't know what to do about it. And that's okay. I fully and deeply accept myself anyway. Top of the head. Ah, this heavy feeling inside my body and inside my mind. I don't like this feeling at all. and I wish it would go away. I've tried everything to get rid of it. I don't want to live with this feeling anymore. On the chest. And that's okay. It's safe now to let this feeling go. Under the arm. It's safe now to let this feeling go. I'm doing the best that I can. And sometimes it doesn't feel like I'm doing a very good job. And that makes me feel even more upset. Yeah. That I'm trying so hard every day. And it doesn't seem to help. No wonder I keep feeling frustrated. So now I've got all this frustration inside. And all this disappointment. And I really don't like that feeling. I accept the way that I feel. And I'm open now to letting it go. Top of the head. I'm allowing myself to go easy with myself. I'm open to being patient with myself. I'm open to being patient with anyone else that's involved. I'm allowing my body to rest and heal. Nose. I'm allowing my breath to be deep and long. Good. I'm taking the time to look after myself. I'm taking the pressure off myself. Under the arm. I'm choosing to look after myself. Top of the head. I'm open to the possibility of feeling good. Inside the eye. I'm open to the possibility of feeling good inside. And with each breath I take, I'm allowing the tension to dissolve inside my body. I'm allowing this tension to dissolve inside. I'm allowing my body to relax. I'm allowing my breath to be deep and healing. The arm. And I'm choosing to release any frustration at myself. I'm choosing to release all expectation and tension. I'm allowing more flow and ease into my life right now. It feels good to allow more flow and ease into my life. The eye. And no matter what happens, I fully and deeply love and accept myself. And I don't need anyone else to approve of me. The chin. Because I'm allowing myself to approve of me. I'm allowing myself to feel good about myself. I wonder what that would look like. I'm open to the possibility of moving forward with my life. Under the arm. I allow myself to move forward with my life. Releasing any remaining tension in my body or mind. Releasing any remaining frustration from my body, mind, and life. Allowing my body to heal and rest. Allowing my breath to be deep and healing. I'm allowing myself to look after myself. And it feels good to be me. In the chest. And I fully and deeply love and respect myself, no matter what. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Release and let go. Let's just finish off now with the here, tap on the inside. I release and let go. On the side. I release and let go of any remaining tension. Under the eye. I release and let go of any remaining frustration. I release and let go of any remaining confusion. On the chin. I release and let it all go. And I allow myself to rest. And I allow myself to heal on all levels, body, mind, and spirit. And then when you're ready, release the hand, release the tap. Have a sip of water when you can. And just allow it all to settle. Look after yourself. Be sure to reach out for any assistance or anything that you're drawn to, which may help you move forward with your life. Feel free to come back and do this video anytime. And I look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.